guys, it's Merrill, and today on Excel with Merrill, we're going to go through the bare bones basic of terminology you need to know to use Excel. So first let's open up an Excel document, and when you first pull it up you have this screen here, and you'll see you have the blank workbook, which is generally, I use that because I know enough about Excel to generally make what I need, but they have all these tutorials here to show you a bit more if you need it, and you can also search templates. So if you want a photo calendar, a personal monthly budget, or any of these other templates that Excel has, you can use those for free. And what it is it's someone else has gone through and made it, and you can just change it to fit your needs. But we'll go into a blank workbook. Alright. Within Excel, there's a few basic pieces you need to know to be able to use it. First, we're going to start with the tabs. That's these right here. So you have the Insert tab, the Home tab, Page Layout tab, and that's how Excel separates their little thing, their icons and groups and stuff like that. So you click on the tab you need. So this is the Home tab, and then within those tabs you have the ribbon, which is this is the Home ribbon, is this whole thing. And then within that ribbon you have the groups. This is the font group, and this is the clipboard group. And generally what Microsoft and Excel try to do is they try and get everything that you'll need for like alignment within this alignment group, which it's not always possible because some of them have more options. Like for the styles, they have all this style drop down boxes right there. That's all you need. But for alignment there's more, and so for that you hit this launch button right here, and that'll launch the alignment action, and it'll give you all your different options within there, your protection, fill, border, font, alignment, number, and so on. And so those are some of the basic terms you need to know to use Excel. Another one is, this is your column in Excel, and this is your row. And where those two intersect is called a cell. And a really good part of Excel is that every cell has a location. So this is, and the location is based off of the column and row. So this is cell B2. And what that lets you do is that, say you have a list of your friends. And you have their ages. And so since every cell has a definite location, you can reference those locations to do things with those numbers. So like, since Logan's age is in cell C4, I can reference that number, and I can find out the combined age of Logan and Oscar by referencing the cell locations where their ages are. Another cool thing about every cell having a name is that you can reference a group of cells called a range, so this is your range, and you can see it over there in the top left corner as you're highlighting it. So this is 7 rows and 5 columns, and it's, the way you address this is it's C3 through G9 is how you say it, and then how you would reference that is equals C3, and then you put a colon for the through, and then you put G9, and that highlights that range of cells. A few other key pieces to know is that this right here, this worksheet right here, is called a sheet or worksheet, and right there, and then a Excel document with multiple sheets is called a workbook. Another couple of things you need to know about Excel is you have the zoom. You can, right here, you can zoom in. Right here in the bottom right hand corner. And if you click right here in that center part, it'll get you back to 100% zoom. You can also go to the View tab and affect your zoom. And then navigating Excel, if you hit the Enter or Return key, it'll move you down down a cell in Excel. If you hit Shift Enter, it'll move you up a cell. If you hit Tab, it'll move you to the right. And if you hit Shift Tab, it'll move you to the left. And then of course you can always use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move around. And then you can always take the mouse and move around the document. And those are the basic bare bones of Excel you need to know to be able to use the software. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time on Excel with Merrill.